Nowadays, every Pakistani is dreams to go to abroad, and their favorite country is US. So everybody wants to go there, and they think that life in US is very good, and their principle, their rules, and their education system, everything there is very good. So this is the main perception built in Pakistan people.
Student in Pakistan wanted to leave Pakistan and join USA. Basic problem is that there is economy, and economy is fantastic, and their education system is fantastic. And
Why they want to leave the Pakistan? If they are spending a lot of money to get education in Pakistan, and after getting the education from reputed institute, so they are ready to go to a US. There is no opportunity in Pakistan like a platform or jobs.
Actually, the basic problem is that there are so many big companies leaving Pakistan, and actually job is not here. If job is available, then unpaid, very unpaid, less paid.
They are paying less.
They are paying less.
So what is your life in Pakistan?
My life in Pakistan normally sex, fuck, and doing normally nowadays fuck only, nothing.
Like if somebody says sex, and you will say no thanks, my life fucking me daily in Pakistan. What is your views about US?
US is very good country.
They have sexy girls.
Sexy girls, okay, but where jobs are available.
This is the Mango Man. I hope you are all fine. I'm also fine with your prayers that you don't do. Nowadays, every Pakistani think that he has to go to another country like a US. So every Pakistani boy, every Pakistani girl, and everybody wants to go abroad. And their favorite country is US. So let's have a quick survey about the Pakistani people, why they want to go to US. Nowadays, every Pakistani is dreams to go to abroad. And their favorite country is US. So everybody wants to go there, and they think that life in US is very good, and their principle, their rules, and their education system, everything there is very good. So this is the main perception built in Pakistan people. What is your views about the US country?
I think there are a lot of hurdle in Pakistan situation. Everybody in Pakistan, I think the student in Pakistan wanted to leave Pakistan and join USA. Basic problem is that there is economy, and economy is fantastic, and their education system is fantastic. And
Why they want to leave the Pakistan? If they are spending a lot of money to get education in Pakistan, and after getting the education from reputed institute, so they are ready to go to a US. There is no opportunity in Pakistan like a platform or jobs.
actually, the basic problem is that there are so many big companies leaving Pakistan, and actually job is not here. If job is available, then unpaid, very unpaid, less paid.
They are paying less.
They are paying less, and the basic problem is that they have no big opportunity to scale upward in the career. So that's the main problem is that every Pakistani want to leave the Pakistan.
So you are saying that it is very difficult to survive in Pakistan, right?
Yes, there are a lot of basic problem is that the political instability, and Pakistan will be decreasing day by day. That is the main why the necessity of life we can't afford. The basic reason is that.
But the another spectrum of Pakistani people and Pakistani country has, like they have a lot of money, they're enjoying their life, and also they're spending a lot of money in like bad deeds that can't afford a middleman or like a common man or poor people. So the main reason this Pakistani people are surviving. But the thing is that there is a perception on their mind that in US there is a lot of glamour, and they want to enjoy their life, fulfill their frustration. So this is the main thing I think every middleman or just boy has.
Well, according to my opinion, every Pakistani, if going to US, the basic problem is that they not go for as a glamour or sex or another purpose. The basic reason is that they wanted to improve their life. America is a land of opportunity. If they have a work hard, they will pay hard.
What is your life in Pakistan?
My life in Pakistan normally sex, fuck, and doing normally nowadays fuck only, nothing.
Like if somebody says sex, and you will say no thanks, my life fucking me daily in Pakistan.
Yeah, of course, you are right, 100%.
There is a good thing about Pakistan is that you are free. You can throw garbage anywhere in the state, and also You can enjoy your life, and there is no rules, no principles. If you have money, you can do whatever you want to do.
Current rule and regulation is applicable in Pakistan, but not everyone is follow. But it is right. Rule are applicable in Pakistan, but not follow any person. If every person follow in Pakistan, inshallah, Pakistan will make more progress and more prosperity.
So you want to say life in Pakistan like a prostitute. Everybody enjoy it, and after that you feel like just going to die.
I don't think so. Maybe life Pakistan in Pakistan life is a prostitute. I don't think so.
So you also want to leave Pakistan?
Definitely, if I am gain a chance, inshallah, I am 100% avail and wanted to go US and mainly focus on California state, because California state is a land of opportunity. There are a lot of tech industry in the world who have just cover whole revenue and whole people and whole social media.
We got that you are ambitious to go to US. So let me just literally you have to tell me the right thing. Why you want to go to US? You want to go on the beach, enjoy your life, and also like a kind of to see their glamour.
Honestly speaking, there is a lot of issues, but the basic reason is that I have wanted to improve my life. I have support my family. I have support my kids. I have wanted to build my future in US. Basically, I have wanted to grow my income. I need a US permanent residence.
And you also want to marry?
Inshallah, if anyone fall in love with me, any white girl, inshallah, I will marry.
After this, definitely anyone will fall in your love. If any chick or girl looking this gentleman, kindly contact this man.
Seriously, I wanted to marry a US girl. If they have a permanent residence, then I will, inshallah, I will marry with you.
What the message you want to give to US?
I have wanted to give only one message. Please open your border for every Pakistani, especially for Pakistani. They have a lot of obstacles and problem and issues in Pakistan. Please help him. Help every Pakistani. They have a cross border and I think they have not a big issue. Lekin if you have open the border and there are a lot of donkey man in Pakistan, and please open the border. I have gathered Trump have a build a wall in the nearby
US border.
US border. Please Trump destroy this stupid thing and open the border for especially for Pakistani, and they have a grow very well, inshallah.
We Pakistani are really want to discharge.
Yeah, of course I know.
Do you think that US education system is right, and also their people, but there is perception on the social media, on the people of Pakistan or Asian people, that they are treating like an animal? And as you know that every country has a different rules to their citizen and the foreigners.
I don't think so. The basic reason, the basic hurdle is that if you have a capable to compete a white woman and white girls and guys, it doesn't mean they have treated you. If you have performed very well, they have reward very well.
Perform in bed or where?
And in education system and a job sector. So if you ever see that there are a lot of Indians and Pakistani have a compete American in tech industry, especially in tech industry, and they have a more progress than Americans. So they have a reward more than. If you see that Microsoft company CEO is Indian, Amazon is Indian, PayPal is Indian. Now recently you ever say that the Citibank is Indian.
What is your views about US?
US is very good country.
They have sexy girls.
Sexy girls, okay, but where jobs are available, every Pakistani want to go there.
You also want to go there?
Yes, I want to go there.
You want to take a revenge from US, like just lose their girls' virginity?
Yes.
So you are saying that their education system and their principles on their economy, and they have like opportunities. So that's why you want to leave Pakistan and go there.
Pakistan is poor country.
Not poor country, it's good country.
It's good country, but jobs are not here. But America is in America jobs are available. We can better our future in America. I thought that I spent 10 to 12 years in America. Many people are jobless, but there are no jobs in Pakistan, so they work very hard.
You hear the views of Pakistani people? they just want to leave the Pakistan and want to go US because they think that there is lot of facilities in US and they have principle, they have rules, everything have that country. So that's why they want to go to a US. So this is the show. I hope you all enjoyed. Be happy at your own money.